To install Amazon Smart Thermostat, you'll follow our guided, step-by-step process in the Alexa app. Get started by downloading the app. Then go to Devices and add your thermostat. Follow the app's instructions to remove your old thermostat. Then, follow the steps to install your new thermostat. If you need any help, customer service is ready 24/7. We've designed this process so you can do it yourself, but you will be shutting off power to the thermostat and handling electrical wiring. If you'd rather not do that, just hire a professional to do the work for you. After installation, you can use the Alexa app to control your thermostat remotely. Remember to check with your local utility for rebates or demand response programs. Then sit back and save in your smarter, more energy-efficient home.